Hi everyone, this is Angel El Moralde,
And I am Lianjoy Buktulan.
and
And
we are here to report about the management
management
of
of sound
sound.
and pollution control system.
Sound transmission management. Sound transmission is an important non structural design consideration for multi story wall and floor construction that may control material choice, whether the structure is a multiple family residential application or a commercial building. When sound comes in contact with a barrier such as door, some of the energy from the vibrations transfers to the door. The resulting vibrations in the door itself then set the air in motion on the other side of the door, creating more sound vibrations. Soundproofing hotel rooms. In the hospitality industry, the most frequent complaints from customers are about the noise. The last thing anyone wants when paying for a room is to hear every movie, conversation, and intimate moment from the people staying in the surrounding rooms. How to soundproof hotel rooms? Windows and patio doors are absolutely essential to any hotel room, but they allow a lot of noise to come in from the outside. Even double or triple pane glass aren't totally viable solutions. They can vibrate because of noise from passing traffic, among other sources. Replacing your windows is often only a temporary solution because sound bleeds in through old or poorly maintained window seals. To really make your hotel's window soundproof, you'll need an acoustic window insert. What is acoustic window inserts? Acoustic window inserts can help you keep noise out and preserve your quiet. These windows and inserts can be customized, and once the frame is mounted, they are simple to install and remove. They also sit close to windows and match style, making the inserts nearly invisible, maintaining the aesthetic of your home. Pollution management control. Pollution control in environmental engineering, any of a variety of means employed to limit damage done to the environment by the discharge of harmful substances and energies. Specific means of pollution control might include refuse disposal systems, such as sanitary landfill, emission control systems for automobiles, sedimentation tanks and sewerage systems, the electrostatic precipitation of impurities from industrial gas, or the practice of recycling. Air and noise pollution. Air pollution. One has to inhale pure, clean air free from pollutants to survive. Minimum rate of fresh air for restaurants, dining halls in 25 meters head are fine particles of less than 15 microns can bypass the human body, respiratory filters, and penetrate into the lungs. The unnatural sources of air pollution are combustion of fuels and solid waste, emissions from vehicles, industrial influence, pesticides, agricultural chemicals, and etc. Quality of air inside the hotels. The quality of air inside the buildings is a combination of pollution from the outside air brought inside along with the ventilation air and the pollutants generated from sources, activities within the buildings. Proper ventilation is required to control the moisture, humidity, dispose of surplus heat, remove microorganisms, and remove odors and vapors or smoke. Control of pollutants can be done by installing filters, dust and particulate, water screens, cyclone separators, and etc.
So, what is noise? Noise is unwanted sound. A sound which has unpleasant effects and discomfort to ears is called noise. Generally, sound generated by vehicles, horns, loudspeakers, planes, construction, and etc. are reasons for noise pollution. Noise pollution is also considered as environmental pollution, although it is not as harmful as air, water, or soil pollution. Effects of noise pollution for a longer period can be severe. How to reduce noise pollution? We can reduce noise pollution by turning off appliances when not in use of earplugs, lowering the volume, planting more trees, regular maintenance of vehicles and machines, and etc. By controlling noise, we can control negative health effects that noise pollution has on everyone. Noise pollution. Noise may be defined as unwanted sound. The unit used for measuring sound is decibel or dB. Effects of noise. Noise can annoys, noise distracts, noise disturbs. High decibel noise can lead to deafness, creates uncomfortable living conditions, reduces efficiency. Acceptable noise levels. For small offices, the acceptable noise levels is 45 decibel. For the conference room, the acceptable noise level is 30 decibels. For sleeping area, 30 decibels. For the school, 30 decibels. And for the restaurant, 45 to 55 decibel. Water sewerage, thermal pollution. The primary concern with water pollution is due to items that make the water non-potable. Sewage treatment, thermal discharges could have effect on the safe drinking water. Other sources of pollution are oil waste, drainage, swimming pools, industrial effluents, fertilizers, and etc. Control of water pollution can be done by sewage treatment plants. Pretreatment filtration, sedimentation, chlorination, coagulation, activated sludge process, membrane separation, aeration, and etc. The tourism and hospitality sector can be a cause of pollution by disposal of water or waste through drains which are cracked or leaking, septic tanks, which, if not adequately maintained, may allow sewage to seep into water sources. Swimming pool discharges cannot appropriately treated. Use of detergents on the premises, which may wash into the drains and leak, or that may be stored inappropriately, spill, and enter the water. So runoff from chemicals used on golf courses, inadequate storage of fertilizers, pesticides may spill and enter the groundwater. Drainage to local groundwater from impermeable sources. For example, car parks can contain oil and etc., which may pollute the water. That's all. Thank you.